I'm just thankful for this place that I found it. I can come here and relax and re-energize, I guess, or release stress. Yeah. Well, let's go camping with Robert. We're headed out to Lake Corriher Wilderness area. We got the gate locked. It is time to go to our campsite. It's not too far. Oh, I love that little thing. I love it. It's awesome. Sounds like a great horned owl. I've not put the skate video up yet. Get that in there and get it all set up, and I'll show you the camp after it's all set up. Before we leave to go to fish, there's the pond down there. This is my wood pile they had covered up for me. Got the new grate for cooking on. Bought that off of Amazon. I put what I paid for it. Here, there's a fire pit. I have the picnic table. On this side, we have our grill. We are going to be making campfire stroganoff tomorrow night. Tonight, I'm just going to do some steak and peppers and some lima beans. Then we have our tent set up. Got my doors made where I can comfortably get in. And here is the setup with my little nightstand. My stool I use as a nightstand, so. That'll hold the rod. I'm gonna start with some red worms because they're smelly and stinky. I'll let that one sit there. And we're gonna throw the rooster tail. Got a neat little rooster tail here. Try that out. I caught a bluegill.
We can never catch one of those. We always catch sunfish.
Thank you. It's that time. First step to cabin fever. Let's see if that takes. I believe it's gonna work. This is what it's all about. Steak and peppers and llamas. Bon appetit. Fire is dying down. It is about that time. Crawl in and get some shut-eye. Time to take off the shoes. All right, guys. I will tell you good night. I'll see you in the morning. It is morning time. I slept pretty good. I don't know what time it is. 6:16. Yikes. So today I'm gonna focus on this side with rainfly. We've got lots of rain coming. hopefully it's gonna hold off till tonight. Oh, I got a little squirrel buddy over there. I was practicing my squirrel calls on YouTube. I just started playing a little video and was calling and talking to the squirrels. What are you eating? It must be eating the side of the fire pit. Maybe there was a nut stuck on there or something. Ah. Little bass. Little bass. All right, let's get you back in the water, boy. Nice. Those are fun to catch. That worm was bigger than he was. Just looked at the radar and it's gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna have to cook early because yeah, it's I'll put a screenshot of what the radar looks like right now. I think maybe another hour or so what we have, but we'll make do. It is that time to get this on. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna brown the meat. Let's get our pan on. Mash on it. Pan good and hot. Add some vegetable oil. Let that start to shimmer. Right. We will be simmering this for about an hour. Right now the beef has released its water. We're basically boiling the beef, which is okay for this. We're gonna get that liquid to evaporate. We were not gonna drain it, it'll evaporate, and then it's gonna coat this pan and eventually we'll deglaze the pan. But it's just all the flavor is going to stay here. All the stuff that doesn't have flavor is going to evaporate. It's going to be good. This is a staple in our house, let me tell you. We're almost there. You got to be patient. You got to let those juices evaporate. Don't drain it, because it's going to start to stick to the pan. It's going to give us some flavor. Just trust me on this. Just be patient. It'll disappear. Almost gone. Look at that color on that beef. Starting to color up really nicely. Don't worry about the beef getting cold. It's going to go back in the sauce when we're finished with the sauce, and it's going to simmer. Right now we got to cook some mushrooms. And she is smoking hot. And those mushrooms are going to help deglaze this pan too, because they have a lot of water in them. Okay, I'm going to get this covered up. All right. Get the butter in there. Let's find that sweet spot. That butter helps deglaze a little bit too. Mushrooms in there. Just gonna soak up all that stuff. These onions will just dissolve by the end of it. These are compostable paper plates. Found these at my local grocery store. Awesome. And they're white. They don't have any kind of a design on them. My wife said, you've got to get new paper plates that are white and not have that crazy design on them. And I said, yes, dear. We're going to put this garlic, just not the chives. Chives will go on at the end. It's okay if a few get in there. We're going to let this cook for maybe a minute. Now that the mushrooms are good 30 seconds there, now we're gonna add some flour. Probably about a tablespoon. I don't do measurements. I apologize for that, but I'm just gonna sprinkle some flour in there like that. About a tablespoon, somewhere along there. Now we're going to let that get good and coated. It's going to soak up everything. We're going to deglaze it. You can use wine, white wine, red wine. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use a little bit of red wine. Just a little bit. Red wine in there. And then we're going to get the beef broth, or beef stock. Maybe 2 cups. But it'll be divided. Yeah. Let's get that in there. That may be 2 cups there. Maybe 4 cups total. Yeah, whatever 32 ounces are. Now, let that go good. White pepper, some Worcestershire sauce, whatever you want, just not a lot, just a little dash. And about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. More. There we go. mustard in there dissolving. Try to get that off in the pan. Need to find us another. I believe I'm gonna put the other grate up on top of this one, so we can simmer it for about an hour. Okay. Let me take this off just a minute. Let's get this grate up there. We can adjust if we need to. I can take the grate off, but I just want it simmering. Here we are, guys. We got it just barely simmering here. That's what we want to see. We're looking good. Got the noodles on the boil. The sauce on. I am loving it. The rest of these are going to go in the container to take home for leftovers. Some nice big bowl of noodles. All right, there's our noodles. As we always say, this is where the magic happens. You want to put your sour cream in last. You can add milk if you want to. I am staying away from it. Cream, heavy cream, you can also do, but you can't skip out on the sour cream. I'm just going to do sour cream today. No milk. And I'm going to give a good heaping of sour cream. We'll stir that in. That's the magic. You don't want to cook the sour cream, it'll curdle. You can add flour to your sour cream and cook with it. It'll keep it from curdling, but it's just as easy to do it this way. Look at that, guys. And give it a taste. If you need to add some salt, add some salt. Okay. Now, here's where it gets real. Good sauce in there, just like that. Oh yeah. And now chives. Oh yeah, there we go. One more thing. I'm gonna add a little bit more sour cream. You know why? Because I can. And I'm the only one eating, so I can dip the spoon. There we go. More chives on that sour cream. There we go. Look at that. That is beautiful. Napkins here. Making a mess. This is Campfire at its best. I've been looking forward to doing this one for a very long time. Best part is leftovers are even better. Oh, let's have a taste. A little bit of everything, like the meat. Mushroom. This beats the freeze dried, let me tell you what. We have Sleet. It is sleeting I didn't know it was supposed to sleet. That's better than rain because it's bouncing off me and I'm not getting wet. Well, this is the first sign of winter weather we've had all year. It's February, almost Valentine's Day. I think it's the 11th. And it's supposed to rain. I'm sure it's going to change to rain, but we're getting sleet right now. All right. Let's get it all closed. It's starting to rain. It's turning to rain. Not as much sleet now, so just a little precursor, I guess. But it's cold. And I'm gonna bundle up, and it's time. Yeah, you know what time it is. Good night, everyone. I will see you in the morning. Turning out to be a lazy Sunday. I'm just waiting for a break so I can get things packed up. No break yet. This is my time of year. Spring, winter, and fall. Love it. Summer, you can have it. Anyway, God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It'll help me out, support the channel. Lets me know I'm doing this not for, I'm doing this all for naught, but love, support for the channel. And I am having an absolute blast. It's making me younger. I can feel it. I'm gonna be sore in the morning. Ouch. I can guarantee you I'm gonna be sore in the morning. That closed. Oh. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed.